You're gonna be okay, honey. You're gonna be okay. And I know that because every other time that life has hit you, you have got back up again. Every time that you felt like you're falling, no matter how hard it was, you got back up. And that doesn't mean that it's easy. In fact, it's quite the opposite, and you should have never had to be going through this in the first place, and for that I'm sorry. And I will say, you are so much stronger than you think that you are. You've got through 100% of your hardest days. You can do it again. So I'm just here to remind you, you're brave, you're wonderful. This world is so much better with you in it. You're enough. Just the way that you are right now, you're enough. You're enough.